I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the payong closely. Focus on ribs, runner, and fabric. Remove loose debris and dry the canopy so repairs hold. Once done, prioritize repairs by safety and function. Bend a rib back if it's just warped. Mark broken parts for replacement. Make sure to lay out tools and replacement ribs within reach. You'll save time and avoid repeated work by deciding now whether to sew, glue, or swap parts. Don't waste effort on cosmetic fixes yet. You move to the structural core, ribs and runner. First, straighten bent ribs carefully using padded pliers. If a rib is cracked, splice with a short sleeve or swap it. This restores tension. Next, slide the runner free, clean its track, lubricate lightly, then realign and secure pins so the canopy opens evenly. Once the frame moves smoothly, reinforce weak joints with wrap or a small sleeve. This prevents repeat failure. Make sure the umbrella opens fully and holds. You finish by repairing the canopy and testing function. Patch small holes with fabric adhesive or sew from the underside using tight stitches. If sewing, use a 1/4 seam allowance and seal with a dab of glue so water won't seep. Restitch any split seams and trim stray threads. Once reassembled, open and close the payong about 10 times to seat parts and reveal weak spots. If it still fails at a joint, tighten or replace the runner pin as a key troubleshooting tip to eliminate wobble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.